How to add widget to lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, when you lock your phone, you can't see any widgets on the lock screen. To add a lock screen widget, unlock your device, tap and hold the blank space on home screen, tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner, tap on the lock screen wallpaper. Here you can see the option add widget option, tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different available widgets like battery, calendar, camera, clock, device care, digital well-being, gallery. You can see the multiple widgets to add in lock screen. So here we select first battery, like a battery status. Now we can see add battery status 82%. Also you can select other widget. Here we also select the digital well-being. So here you can see the screen time, your daily screen time on your device. So you can easily add multiple widgets like this. Also add the Samsung Health, daily activity or like this. Now you can see widget or pull message. Like now we add the three widget on the lock screen on your device. So it's quite easy to add the widget to lock screen on your device. Just tap on a done at the top right corner to save it. Now change apply to lock screen, lock your phone, and you can see the widget on your lock screen. So it's quite easy to add multiple widget to lock screen on Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.